Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. Okay, y'all, so I have some folk art multi-surface stain. I think I have used this before, but I haven't used it a lot. You can use these on glass, ceramic, wood, metal, rigid plastic. I don't know what rigid plastic is. I'm gonna look that up. Canvas, fabric, and terracotta. So it has all the directions on there. I just want to show y'all the cool colors I got from Plaid. Send me these. Y'all go to plaidonline.com, put in code Khadijah123, and you can get 15% off. Let's go through some of the colors that I got. Dwarf Full Yellow is 2912. Y'all see that? I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So we have that color. I'm gonna do a couple of swatches in a few minutes. Then we have the lime green. It's 2914 lime green. I love lime green. And then we have a classic green. It's pretty. It's kind of like a, to me it looks like a, it's like a hunter mixed with a little bit of olive. Okay, the next color, we got some licorice, and it is 2934. Did I say what the number of the yellow was? I think I did. All right, and then we have the cardinal red. That's 2900. And then we have the aqua. This is pretty. 2921. And these are acrylic paints, y'all. We got the Rickard White. I have used the Rickard White and the matte, just regular matte acrylic paints by Folk Art. We also have the Look at Me Blue. I have used this color before, but I don't think I use it with the multi-surface. And then we have the Violet Parfait, if I'm saying it right. Then we got the Real Brown Maroon. Ooh. And then we got this Pert Orange. Been orange, love it orange a lot. And then we got the Bright Pink, which I have used that before in just the regular, not multi-surface. So I think I got all of them. Let me make sure. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12. All right, y'all. So let me do a couple of swatches on a little piece of paper. Well, I could grab a little piece of wood. I'll probably come up with a cute little design by showing y'all this. Let me open these really quick. I haven't opened none of them. Let me open these quick so I can go through each swatch, and then I'll be right back, y'all. I have used the satin before, but I haven't used them like that. I'm not going to put it on the palette. I'm just going to get a little bit out of here, and then I'm just going to do like that. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love how smooth it is. So that is the classic green. That is beautiful. And you know what, y'all? I'm not going to even wash my brush off. I'm just going to let it blend in with the next one. With these, you can't really shake them. They're a little thick. Let me go to the next one. Just grab a little bit. Okay. I like this. It's really, really smooth, y'all. I think I had a little brown left on my paint from another DIY I was doing before this video. It goes on really, really smooth, like satin, like silky satin. So that is the lime green. And then which one I'll get? This one, the yellow. And then I'm gonna have to clean this off a little bit. I didn't mean to put that much, but we're gonna just blend it in, y'all. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful that is. Y'all could literally do this like a unity moment and a DIY mixed together. All right, so the next color I'm gonna go to is the Perfect Purple. All right, so let me rinse this off just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh. Okay. Y'all, these colors go on like satin. It's so beautiful. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Okay. I'm pretty sure you can put like a second coat, but I kind of like it like that. Just some cute little simple earrings. Next one. Let's try this one right here, which is a Look at Me blue. This is a pretty blue. I done used this blue before. I haven't used it in the multi-surface. Okay. Look at there. That is gorgeous. Put some of that back on there. The next color, let's go to the Pure Orange. Beautiful. Let me just grab a little bit. Okay, that's the Pure Orange. Then we got, oh, we could do the black. I grab a little bit of that, a little bit more. All right. Oh, look at that. Made a beautiful design. All right. Okay, we'll go to the next one. We're gonna get the, did I use the pink? I can't, no, I didn't use the pink. The swatch is right there. So we're gonna take the pink. Y'all see how smooth that go on? Like I said, y'all can put a second coat, but I'm not. I'm just doing this quick little, I mainly made a pair of earrings. Little DIY. All right, so we're gonna go to the next, which is, oh, that's pretty. Cardinal red. How beautiful that smooth that go on this wood. Yeah. And just this brown. So smooth. I got to look a little piece of glitter on there. I use 7-on-1. And then next we're gonna use this aqua. Ooh, I can't wait. I love it. I love this aqua. It's beautiful. Ooh, yeah. Y'all see that? Gorgeous. And then next we're gonna use the white. Look at these swatches, y'all. They're beautiful. So you know what? Since we got a little left, I'm going to go back to the, I think I want to do the purple. I'll grab some of the green because I really like the way that green looks. If I would have thought about it, I would have put 6 on 6. But guess what? These came out really cute. I'm going to rock them. We're going to grab this green. I really like this color right here. The classic green. Look at there. Beautiful. It's literally satin. It's like butter. Look at that, y'all. And then what I'm going to do, since I done sat here and made a pair of earrings, and I was just showing y'all swatches. So I'm going to grab this black. And I'm just going to go around here with it. I'll go around the edges. I'll be right back, y'all. I'm going to go around both of the edges with it. All right, y'all. So look at these swatches. Look how beautiful they came out. So we go the multi-surface. These are really cool. I'm going to try them again in another video, like on a glass. I'm going to try different surfaces. So we're going to see how they work. So they work really good on wood. And I didn't even have to prime this wood. I love the way the wood is coming through. Like I say, you can go back in and put a second coat. But look, we got a cool, beautiful pair of earrings. And guess what? I'm going to gloss these. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all how they look in my ear. I'll be right back. I wanted to show y'all these right here really, really quick. Look how dope they are, y'all. Excuse my hair. I'm going to get ready to wash it. But yeah. So, look how dope these are. They came out nice, right? I added some card shells on them. I added 21 card shells because that's what Spirit told me to do. I got back between both pairs, 21 card shells on here. So, I'm going to show y'all them close up. I just wanted to show y'all them on me. These are the ones I just created. That's fast, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is a voiceover. I got tired. I've been working all day. So hopefully y'all will enjoy this video. I just put this video of it. I'll show y'all in another video how the back look. Or y'all can go to my website if y'all want to purchase these. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Leave a beautiful comment. Donate to this channel, y'all. Y'all could donate as low as $1, as high as you want. The links are in the description box. How to donate through Cash App or PayPal. Salam, salam.